Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Anomia. To set up, choose a deck of colored cards. You may use different colored decks for the following rounds. Shuffle the deck. Once it's done, split the deck in half and place both halves on the table face down. These will be the draw piles. The play begins when the player who shuffled the cards flips over the top card of either decks and lays it down in front of them. On the card, you'll notice a category and a symbol. After doing this, the player continues to the next player who also flips over a card and places it in front of them. The game continues until two of the cards have matching symbols, and this is where it gets competitive. As soon as a match is on the table, the two players whose cards match try to be the first to name something or someone in their opponent's card's category. In this case, the player on the left has to name a makeup brand, whereas a player on the right has to name a time of day. The first one to do so wins their opponent's card, which is flipped back over and placed in the player's winning pile. The one type of card that's different is the wild card. The wild card has two symbols on it, and it makes those two symbols act like their matches. It'll stay that way until someone else draws a wild card and lays it on top of that one. One thing to note is that when a player wins a card, it uncovers the card underneath it. This can lead to secondary matches where the first person who sees it can score a point. The game ends when no more cards can be played. All players count the cards in their winning piles, and whoever has the most wins the game. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.